What if you could recreate the taste of Coca-Cola in your own kitchen, using nothing but chemistry and patience? The ingredients listed on a bottle tell only part of the story. A liter of Coke contains roughly 110 grams of sugar, caffeine, phosphoric acid, and caramel coloring. But the real mystery lies in the tiny 1% called natural flavors. For decades, that flavor formula has been one of the most closely guarded secrets in the world. The drink even uses a special coca leaf extract produced by a single licensed company in the United States. That extract is not available to the public, which makes copying Coke at home extremely difficult. One researcher, Mr. Armstrong, decided to crack the puzzle using mass spectrometry. This test breaks a substance into charged molecules and creates a chemical fingerprint. By comparing that fingerprint with different essential oils, he slowly built a recipe that mimicked the real drink without using any coca leaves. Step 1. Creating flavor solution. These oils are mixed in exact proportions. Just 20 milliliters of this blend is diluted into 1 liter of 95% ethanol and left to age for at least 24 hours. The mixture is incredibly concentrated. One batch can flavor nearly 5,000 liters of cola. Step 2. Creating flavor. Solution B tannins turned out to be the missing piece. These are the same compounds that give tea and red wine their dry, slightly bitter finish. They do not appear in mass spectrometry, which is why early replicas tasted flat. Adding tannins finally delivered that cooling, authentic aftertaste. Step 3. Making 1 liter of cola. 1. Dissolve 104 grams of sugar in 100 to 200 milliliters of water. 2. Add 1 milliliter of diluted solution A. 3. Add 10 milliliters of solution B. 4. Heat until almost boiling, then cool completely. 5. Top up to 1 liter with cold sparkling water. The result, according to taste testers, is almost indistinguishable from the original drink. Once the initial ingredients are purchased, each liter costs only a few pennies to produce. Every ingredient in this recipe is legal and available online, but caution is essential. Many of the chemicals can be irritating when undiluted, so protective gloves and careful handling are a must. Science may not have unlocked Coca-Cola's official vault, but it has shown that with the right chemistry, the world's most famous flavor can be recreated drop by drop.